As a homeowner, there are probably dozens of things on your mind each day. The light bulbs in the upstairs room needs to be changed, the floorboards creak too much, the door hinge could use some grease, the power bill is due, and much more. And when on top of all of this there seems to be an issue with the plumbing or even an emergency, you're going to have to add to the laundry list of chores. In order to keep your home's plumbing up and running, you should trust only the most reliable emergency plumbers in Arlington. Get in touch with ProServe Plumbers today.